AI art is taking over the internet, but with so many options, how do you know which one is best for you? In this video, we'll compare 3 of the biggest AI image generators, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. We'll look at their strengths, weaknesses, and which one is the right choice for your creative projects. Whether you're an artist, content creator, or just experimenting with AI, stick around to find out which tool suits you best. Let's start with how each of these tools works. Midjourney runs on Discord and generates highly artistic images. It's known for its dreamy, painterly aesthetic, making it perfect for stylized artwork. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, it creates detailed images from text prompts. It's great for realistic and concept-driven images, with built-in tools for editing. And Stable Diffusion, an open-source model that runs locally on your computer or through online tools. It's incredibly flexible, allowing deep customization and fine-tuning. Now let's compare their strengths and weaknesses. Midjourney, best for artistic and cinematic styles. Limited control over small details. Requires a paid subscription after a few free uses. DALL-E, easy to use with a simple web-based interface. Great for real-world images and modifications. Strict content moderation, some prompts get blocked. Stable Diffusion, completely free and open source. Highly customizable, users can train their own models. Requires technical knowledge to set up advanced features. Pricing and accessibility are major factors in choosing the right AI art generator. Midjourney, subscription-based, starting at $10 per month. DALL-E, free with limited credits, then paid credits are required. Stable Diffusion, completely free, but may require a powerful PC for local use. So which one is best for you? If you want high-quality artistic visuals with minimal effort, go with Midjourney. If you need realistic images, concept art, or easy editing, DALL-E is your best bet. If you're a tech-savvy user who wants full control, Stable Diffusion is unbeatable. AI art tools are evolving fast, and each one has its place depending on your needs. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI and tech content.